Good morning. My name is Arina, and I'm from Russia. And I'm attending the part-time pre-master in accountancy at Nyenrode Business University in Amsterdam. I like to start my day with a coffee, then I like to prep some lunch for work, and finally make myself ready. When I first decided to pursue a master's program, I was really looking for a program that could support me with growing my career as an accountant. Nyenrode's pre-master in accountancy really stood out to me for its small class size and diverse group of international students. Since the program is part-time and it's busy season-proof, I can easily combine my study with working. And currently my role is Digital Auditor at KPMG. Today, I'm going to be traveling by train from Tilburg, where I currently live, to the KPMG office in Rotterdam. Commuting in the Netherlands is so easy. What attracted me to KPMG is that it's one of the leading firms in audit. In my role as a digital auditor, though I not only focus on audit, but I also come up with new solutions that help handle large sets of data for better decision making. After a great day at work, I'm ready to head to Amsterdam and attend my lecture. Today's lecture is about audit quality. And the assignment that my classmates and I are going to be working on is analyzing how audit quality has changed in the last 10 years. Truly fascinating to see how much things have changed in the last decade. Living in the Netherlands has really been wonderful. I came here 5 years ago, and all I experienced was joy. I've met so many open and supportive people, and it's been a truly fantastic experience being here. Starting with canals, some bike rides, easy transportation, it's all been accessible and very easy to get around. So, it's been a really full day today, and now I'm ready to go home, do a little bit of preparations for tomorrow, and finally relax. Thank you for joining me on my journey today. It was such a pleasure to show you what a day in the life of a Nyenrode student could look like. Hopefully, I'll see you on campus soon. Don't forget to say hi. Now it's time for bed. Good night.